குட் மார்னிங், காலை வணக்கம். மாங்காய் மரத்தில் மாங்காய் பறிக்கிறேன். என்ன செய்ய போகிறேன்னா மாங்காய் சட்னி செய்ய போகிறேன். ஐம் கோயிங் டு ப்ரிப்பேர் மேங்கோ சட்னி. This is second time. The first one I already deleted. This is the second video I'm going to do. Come, let's go into my house. Welcome to my house. Susie is here. So, let's prepare mangga chutney. Okay, this is my second time. The first time the video was too long, and then I got bored and deleted it. So now I'm doing the correct way, so everything turns out well. So I have two mangoes here. I already start doing pre-prepared everything. Okay, okay, done. The mango done. So what I'm going to add inside the mango here, very simple. I'm adding, these are the homemade chili that they prepared. Or chili powder, I put 1 teaspoon. I'm adding in there. Salt, half teaspoon. White pepper, half teaspoon, less than half, less than half. And this is spice powder, multi-purpose spice powder, half teaspoon. And I have coriander. Coriander I'm using 1 teaspoon. Okay. Now I'm going to give a mix. Now my best tool to give a mix is always my hand. Mix, then to mix. Okay. Sugar I will add later. I usually use brown sugar, but this time I'm going to use sugarcane sugar, because the brown sugar actually the sweetness is less, whereas the white sugar and the sugarcane sugar, the sugar content higher. So I'll be using about most likely 2 tablespoons first, and then I will use, if I need I will add. So இங்க பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நான் மல்லி தூள் அன்றைக்கி செஞ்சேன் வீட்டில், இதெல்லாம் வீட்டில் செஞ்சது. இது அந்த மல்டி பர்பஸ் மசாலா, வெள்ளை மிளகு, மிளகாத்தூள், கொஞ்சம் உப்பு. இப்போ 2 மாங்காய் தான் வைக்கிறேன். These are the 2 mangoes I'm using. மாங்காய். Okay. Now let me have coffee. Let's get the pot melting. So now I'm going to light up the stove and get the pot melting. Okay. Okay, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of ghee. Come on. Now it was in the fridge, and it's still stubborn. On this plate, okay, I have ginger, I have cashew, I have curry leaf, dried chili, and vinaigrette mixed spices. Okay, these are the ingredients. The first, the cashew will go in. I want to toast it and bring it out, and then I will add the ginger together, because the ginger also I want to toast and then bring it out together with the cashew. I put aside. This will take about 2 minutes. actually been 1 minute. I saw that cashew already toasted. So now I add the ginger. So I give a gentle mix under medium low fire. Never use high fire. Okay, and I don't want the ginger to be over toasted. Okay, over fried or toasted. ரொம்ப இது பண்ணக்கூடாது. ஒரு குறிப்பிட்ட அளவு தான். Okay, bring down the fire and let it cook gently for about 30 seconds will do. Because why I want the gingery taste on the mango chutney. Okay, this is my second time I'm doing this mango chutney. What happened the first time? The video recording, I had some problem. I couldn't do the CapCut. So what I did, I tried to post the other side, and that couldn't go in also. So I didn't know, but it actually went through, and it took about 12 hours to get exported to my channel. The following day morning, I was shocked to see the video, and it was 40 over minutes, more than 45 minutes. Okay, now we increase the fire a bit. So this is a gentle close also. So I add in the curry leaves, the mixed spices, kari pijama, karupula, patta manga. Okay, I add mixtures. Increase the fire now. Because I'm going to put in the mango. And I give a look. I won't add any water now. I will give about 2 minutes and then I will add water. Okay, this is a non-stick pan, and this is the pan which I like very much. So இப்போ நான் வந்து தண்ணி ஒன்றும் போடுறேன். முதல்ல வந்து லேசாக இந்த எண்ணெயோட இந்த மசாலாவோட மறைச்சிடுவேன். வறுத்து எடுத்துட்டு லேசாக கலக்குன மாதிரி செஞ்சிடுவேன். I like to sing song when I cook alone. I will sing song. My way, I got a very audible voice. My children will say, can you please stop? I'm giving a check. Now I increase the fire. Okay, the fire must be controlled every now and then. Once we add the water, and then we will increase the fire. So I'm going to add the water now. So I increase the fire, make sure that the pan is hot enough to do the process of cooking. So I'm adding 500 ml water first. இது வந்து 500 ml தண்ணியை வந்து உள்ளுக்கு செலுத்திடுவோம். தமிழ் வந்து முன்னேறுது தமிழ் படிப்படியாக. I never go to Tamil school, but I can see my Tamil is improving as I'm talking. So I must talk more Tamil. So to improve my Tamil, so this will boil. So I'm going to give about 5 minutes. It has been 5 minutes. So every 5 minutes, I think it will take about 30 minutes. Every 5 minutes, I'm going to give it this. Okay, what is right here? The spiciness and the sugar is okay. Of course, I never add the sugar at all. The spiciness. So I don't want to add the spiciness now. I want it to be cooked properly. Then we'll see how. I can feel the spiciness. That's okay. Gentle mix. One more thing why I don't add sugar now, but the first time when I did, side the wall of this pot, there was a lot of sugar stick to it. So I don't want. So that's why I'm going to add the sugar at last. I will see how it works. I only add 500 ml of water. I think later on I will add another 500 ml of water. This kind of small mineral water bottle is perfect. So I will see you again after 5 minutes. Let's check. What I've been doing actually, I was doing my cleaning job at the same time, washing and wiping. And every now and then I keep an eye. Okay, I keep stirring a bit, very slowly, gently. Yeah. Now it's getting thicker. Okay, this is the time I'm going to add sugar. Okay, my calculation for sugar, 2 mangoes. I'm giving 3 tablespoons. I don't want it to be too sweet because mango sometimes is sweet, sourish, depends on the quality of mango. So I'm just adding 3 tablespoons of sugar for a start. 3 பெரிய கரண்டி சீனி போட்டு பார்ப்போம் எப்படி வரும். Okay, let it boil. I'm not going to cover anymore. I'm going to put under low fire now. It was high fire after I add the water. So every now and then when we add water, தண்ணி ஊற்றுறதையும் நெருப்பை வந்து பெருசாக்கிடுவேன். So இப்போ வந்து நெருப்பு வந்து slow-ஆகிட்டேன். So இது வந்து slow process. Okay, now it has been exactly 20 minutes. Okay, let's talk about, this is the first batch of mango chutney I did. Okay, manga chutney. Come to my family friend, a lady. She went back home. She gave some to the mother. And the mother said, it's very nice. Get the recipe how to do. So I told her, go to my YouTube channel, get the recipe from there, and then thumbs up for me, huh? Right or not? So the la comes in again, huh? It's getting thicker now. It's perfect for me. Oh, it's nice to see it's transforming, huh? You know what she told me, the lady? She called me Anne. Anne means brother, elder brother. Anne, I got no time to watch the video. You just give me the menu on the recipe of the menu on the phone. I was thinking, wow. I said that I got a YouTube channel, go to the YouTube channel, but she don't want to go to the YouTube channel. She want a shortcut. But she's a very nice lady. She bake cakes, no? And sometimes she gives us cake, even though she sponsor cake. When my children's birthday, she sponsor. So I gave her the menu. Said try it out, no problem. So if you look at this mango chutney, I want the chutney to be red. You see, this is red. The reason why the chili powder which I bought from the shop, it gives this color but no taste. The chili powder got no taste at all. It was not spicy, you know. But this one I made with the chili powder which I used today, which I homemade. I made myself that day. I already did the recording and posted the video. That's one that chili which I made. I can feel the spiciness, tightness, spiciness, and I can taste the chili flavor. Huh? Sorry, I touched the camera wrongly. Let me check. Okay, still in good condition. So y'all remember that I was talking to y'all about my health problem. I will let y'all know on this video. So few years back, I did bypass. Okay, my 3 artery very bad condition. 2 of them was 80%. The other one was 90%. So I did my bypass. But the problem started after my bypass. I was affected with fluid problem where I had to cough, and it's a non-stop cough. After my bypass, the cutting, I have to cough for about 30 seconds to 15 seconds non-stop. And I tell you, each time I cough, I don't cry, but my tears will come out. I know I'm going to have to pay. And I cough. The spiciness, the sweetness is just nice. So I don't want it to be too thick. So I'm going to add these pillars inside, the cashew nut and the ginger. Okay, this thing is done. So I put under low fire for about another few minutes, 1 or 2 minutes, and then I will switch it off. This is the way I wanted. It's perfect. I want to see the mango, the spices, everything. I don't want it to be overcooked. So it took me exactly about 25 minutes to cook this dish, this mango chutney. So thank you very much once again for viewing my channel. Please subscribe and thumbs up for me. Please subscribe. and share with your friends. And for those who have been viewing my video all this while, thank you very, very much for supporting me. Till then, we meet on next video. Bye.